In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable vibrant visuals in Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Vibrant visuals are one of the most anticipated and exciting features that have been added to Minecraft in recent months. As you can see, it essentially adds shaders into the base game. So I am playing base Minecraft Bedrock, no resource packs active, and I'm able to have shaders that look incredibly good in my game. So as you can see, no global resources active, and this will work for any world. This is also available on consoles and mobile devices. So the very first step is to update your game to the latest version. If you don't have the latest version of Minecraft Bedrock, regardless of the platform, you will not be able to use vibrant visuals. Something else that I need to make very clear is that this option is only available for Minecraft Bedrock at this time. It is going to be available on Java eventually, but as it stands today, during the time that I'm recording this video, you are not able to use it in Java. It is unfortunate, but we will simply just have to wait. Now, to actually enable this, go into the settings, scroll down until you find the video category, and usually by default you will have simple and fancy graphics mode. But if you are running the latest version of Minecraft Bedrock, you will now have vibrant visuals. So change graphics mode to vibrant visuals. You can choose to favor performance, so this will give you more performance, but the quality will look slightly worse, or you can choose favor visuals. Alternatively, you can select custom, open the options, and adjust everything. So you will have shadow quality, clouds, volumetric fog, reflections, bloom, upscaling, and resolution. Finally, render distance. So change these settings according to your PC, your console, and your preferences. Now, once you go inside of any world, regardless if it has RTX enabled, regardless if you are using resource packs, if it's a realm, if you are playing with friends, alone, it doesn't matter. You will have vibrant visuals active. One of the most noticeable changes is the water. You can see the sun reflected in the water. It looks incredible. You can see the shadows cast on all of these grass patches. And overall, it is incredibly nice to look at. You don't have to download any mods, any packs, and it is one of the most exciting features they've added in a long time. I cannot wait until we get this on Java Edition. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.